This video will show you the basic features of the remote control. The top half of the remote is primarily used for actions during a call, while the bottom half is primarily used for making calls. Once in a call, the display button allows you to rotate through a variety of preset screen layouts. If you have the self-view or picture-in-picture window showing on the screen, this button will also move that window around. The Preset button allows you to set and recall preset camera views of the conference room. This feature is useful to quickly move the camera to focus on a specific area of the room. In this example, Preset 1 is pointing to the whiteboard. The Camera button allows you to select a different camera. Use the arrow buttons on the remote to choose the camera from the on-screen display. The Content button allows you to share files from your computer with other participants in the call. Remember, you need to first connect a VGA cable to your laptop. The arrow keys and the zoom keys help you move your camera and adjust the video you are sending to the other participants. You can also move the camera of the remote location. First, select the button labeled Far. The camera icon on the video screen will turn around, indicating you are now controlling the remote camera. You can now use the arrow and zoom keys to move the camera in the remote location. Your basic dialing buttons are the number keypad and the call and hang up buttons. The Directory button allows you to quickly jump to the directory from any screen. With the keypad buttons, you can dial numbers or enter text when needed. And finally, the very bottom of the remote is primarily used for recording activities during a call. Enjoy your meeting.